Hi friends, if you own a WordPress website, you might be wondering how you can take regular backups of your website uh, using any easiest method. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can take backup of your website and how you can restore the website from that particular backup with an easy method if you are having Cpanel access app of your hosting. So let us go to the Cpanel, and this is the Cpanel Softcat, and I'm going to show you how actually it can be done in just few simple steps. So this is Cpanel and this is WordPress Manager by Softcat, and this is the option that is going to give you the easiest backup method, and this is being the website that with which I'm going to demonstrate the restore backup and restore process that I just created in my last video. This is a demo website in fact, and I will completely delete this website and again restore the website. Okay, so let us proceed towards it, and I will go to the Softcat Manager by WordPress Manager by Softcat, and this is instance 3, and I will expand this instance 3, and it is very simple. So I have this backup option in my WordPress. I'm in the Cpanel hosting. I have this backup option. If it is somehow not available, you can ask your hosting provider to enable this option. It is very simple to enable. It can be done by the hosting provider only, so you can request them to enable this option, backup and restore option by Softcat. So I am simply taking a backup of this installation first. So I will take a backup, simply clicking by the backup option, and it is asking for what we need to take, like backup directory, backup database, and yes, this is these are the choices, and I am simply clicking the backup installation, and it is going to take hardly 3 to 4 minutes, and it depends on your server capacity. So if you are having hosting plan with WP themes, you can avail all this facility in a single hosting plan, and you can follow the link to get a better hosting plan and start your WordPress website using that particular. Okay, so now backup is complete, and it hardly took a minute, as you seen. So now backup is here. We just took a backup, and this is being the backup, and we can now restore this backup using these files, and I'm going to check. This is being 2 backup files in fact. So what I'll do, this is the big one. Okay, so now I'm going to dashboard, and this is the dashboard of this installation, and then this is website, this is dashboard, and I'm going to delete this website, reset this website. I have already installed the WP reset plugin, and I will use that particular plugin for resetting this website. Just to show you, don't use this option for at your website. I have already installed the WP reset, and I will reset the website. Okay, so let us reset the website. Okay, just for showing how backup process and restoration process works. Don't use this reset option at your website, because it is going to reset your website. Now the website is not here because we have reset it, and it is now not here. It is simple, the default installation of WordPress. Now let us assume we need to restore this backup, and we are at this screen because we have already taken backup and I assume this is the latest backup that I have, and I am restoring this backup. And you can also download this backup to your local machine for security reasons, and I am now restoring this backup. Okay, let us see what happens. Restore directory, restore database, restore installation. Okay, so it is again not going to take more than 2 minutes, and it is about to complete within a minute. Okay, so it is fine. Now let us refresh this, and yes, it is simple, it is restored. So you seen how simple it was really, and you just need to have this option, backup option, from the Softcat, and you can see, so you can keep as many backup as you need. Time to time backup you can keep here, and you can keep the download, backup download at your local machine as well, and you can use that particular backup for restoring purpose. So better to keep it here, so restoring will be easy for you, and you will really pleased to have this option as a backup, and you can secure your website from the any attacks, or you can have backup to keep peace in your mind. So it is very simple and effective way to take it is being the easiest method I have seen as of now. So I believe this video remained helpful for you, and you will take regular backup using this method of your WordPress website. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress tips for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.